Becker Checkers. Today is Merry Christmas. I'm so excited on my presents. That's what it comes for Christmas. And open my presents. Merry Christmas, Becker Trackers. I'm so excited. It's so beautiful around here. So today we are going to be showcasing some gifts for traveling families. So up first we got the earbuds.
Here we have some wireless earbuds made by Monster, and they are awesome. We use these ourselves for traveling, working, listening to audiobooks, music, whatever. They're awesome. So it's a charger itself too. It keeps you put the earbuds in there and they charge fully and they last a long time. So these made by Monster.
Another product that we're recommending today is the Pimsleur language system. They have hundreds of languages to choose from and have a technique that allows you to remember and recall languages when you work through their program. Right now, as a family, we are learning Spanish, sí, so that we can communicate when we go to Mexico and other Spanish-speaking countries, to have a little bit of language to talk to the locals and say welcome.
The third product we recommend is this travel pillow. So when you're on the airplane, you can put your head back and it just feels like you're in a wonderland. I really recommend it. Merry Christmas! Today, I'm gonna snuggle this tomorrow. And it's gonna be so comfy.
Do you like this blankie, Ante?
Yeah.
So this blankie has come in handy, whether it's been a comfort, a warmth, or a nursing blanket, or even a scarf while we're traveling. It's just very versatile, and we bring one along every trip, don't we, Ante?
All right, Becker Trekkers, we have the Easy Care First Aid Kit. You never know, you just stub a toe, cut a finger, fall down, bonk your head. You have a cold pack, band-aids, everything you need for this family first aid kit. Highly recommend that.
Oh, hi, didn't see you there. We also recommend a Swiss Gear backpack. It is child tough and very awesome for travelers. Really recommend it. Becker Trekker approved for sure.
The next item, we have a surprise for the two of you.
What is it? I wonder what it is. Oh, a travel activity pad by us for it? This is awesome. Let's see what's in it. There's coloring, there's questions, there's dot to dots, Sudoku.
Whoa.
Lots of activity. You're already right into it, aren't you?
Can we use it now?
And traveling, one thing you definitely need is some reading material. I recently published a book called If the World Only Knew, It's Time to Wake Up and Heal. Definitely highly recommend it, not just because I wrote it, but because it'll teach you the truth about who you really are in relation to life and the world we live in. Pick up a copy.
The last recommendation is the Melissa and Doug World Puzzle. I love teaching our kids where they're going to go and which part of the earth they're going to see. But I've lost the puzzle. Where did it go?
Oh, sorry.
Just couldn't wait, could ya? That's pretty awesome.
Well, those were our top recommendations. We gotta get back to decorating the gingerbread man. Have a happy holiday. Bye. My mom doesn't say the word.
Okay, that's okay. You can't see it. It's just all I can see is you. That's hilarious.
Traveling light and living simple. Soon a melody begins to rise. Traveling light and living simple. No matter which side is green, you're satisfied. No matter
3.